Hey, and welcome to my first tutorial by TellTaleGeek. This is going to be a simple one just in GIMP, and it's going to be how to add a border to pretty much anything. So we're going to open up GIMP, start. I use GIMP mostly because it's free, and I'm used to it. I've used it a lot. The same thing can be done in Photoshop. It's just going to be different commands, different tools probably, but you can do generally the same thing. So let me just try to get everything to fit in the window here. Okay, so we're going to start with a new image to create. This is just going to show you, this is just for demonstration, so it doesn't matter what the size is. I'm going to do text. You could really do it to anything in an image. So I'm going to do text, and I'm just going to choose my TellTaleGeek logo right here. Okay, and I'll make it 50 just so you can see it, and I'll change the color to, I'm going to change it to this purple here. Okay, so I'm just going to type out the text, TellTaleGeek. I'm going to move it to the middle. Okay, and then the first thing to do is go to the Layers tab. I have it as a tab inside my toolbox. You might have to press Control L, and if you don't see it anywhere and Control L isn't working for you, you can go back to your original toolbox. Hit this arrow here that says Configure this tab, and then go to Add tab, and then Layers. And that'll put your Layers tab right here. Okay, so now I'm going to select the TellTaleGeek layer. That's just my text layer, whatever you want to put a border on. And we're going to right click and hit Alpha to Selection. This is going to select anything that's actually filled inside the layer, not just any empty space that there is. So this is really going to select anything that has a color. And then we're going to create a new layer. You can't see that. There you go. We're going to create a new layer. And I'm just going to name that border. And it could be filled with transparency, that's fine. And now we're going to make sure we're selected on the border tab. And then to actually make the border, you go to Select, Grow, and this is going to grow the selection to actually encompass the purple colors, which is going to make a border. So I'm just going to grow by 2. Obviously a bigger number is going to give you a bigger border. So I'm going to hit OK, and you see that the selection area just went bigger than the text. So now you can choose your border color. I'm going to make it black for mine. I'm going to hit OK, and then all you have to do is drag the color over and drop it right into your text. In this case, since I'm using a screen recorder, there's a little bug that doesn't let me do that, so I'm just going to use the bucket tool and fill it right there. And then what you want to do is make the border layer go behind your text layer, so all you see is something that's bigger than the text. And I'm going to have to press move down here. You should be able to just drag it on your computer. Like I said, the screen recorder has a couple bugs with GIMP for some reason. And there we go. So now I'm just going to hit select none to see it better, and you're all set. Now you got a border behind your text or whatever you want a border behind. And that's how you do it. Like I said, it's really simple. There you go. Hope you enjoyed it. Plenty more videos to come.